Well, hi there. Today we're gonna clean up the filter from the intake on the CTSV. So we're gonna use G-Teck all-purpose for that. Let's see how this is gonna come out later. Now let's just spray it over here and let it set for a couple minutes using G-Teck. Now we're gonna wash the product here. We already used the brush, we sprayed it with G-Teck. So let's see what comes out. Yep. We're gonna rinse it, so you can see how dirty this filter was. Well, just finished cleaning the filter from the intake of the CTSV, and it came out pretty nice. It's white. Took out all the bugs and dirt and grease that was in there. I had like probably more than a year I didn't clean it up, but I don't use the car that much anyway. So you guys could be saving a pretty penny just doing this right here. Just buying G-Teck and cleaning it up yourself, and you use a brush. Alright, so we'll put it on tomorrow, wait for it to dry and put it on the car. Put it back on the intake.